All right, family, what's going on, y'all? Listen, we are going over the key of A flat, huh? The key of A flat, man. Listen, you got to know this, all right? Look, do you struggle with learning songs that's got sharps and flats in them? You in the right place, okay? Do you have a desire to be able to play by ear and learn how to play along with people, how to play along with the band, how to play along with singers? What you're gonna need to do, you're gonna need to know the number system. You're gonna need to know how to play in every key. It's time to take the limits off. Toss that capo to the side for now. Listen, I want you to learn and be efficient in playing guitar and playing the whole guitar, not just the key of C, not just the key of G, not just the key of F, okay? So listen, man, I listen. Let me fix this real quick. Okay. Boom, bam. All right, well, now we locked in. We ain't gonna have no flicker. Okay, so now, key of A flat, huh? A flat, major. All right, all right. So don't be like me. Make sure you got your guitar tuned up. A major, A flat major. All right, we in the key of A flat. Okay. So let's learn A flat. Listen, we're gonna learn on one string first. All right, so this for beginners. Listen, if you're advanced and you want to skip, you can skip ahead, but right now let's take care of the beginners and make sure they're on the right track. Okay, make sure you're on the right place. Okay, you can always play on one string. Don't never let nobody discourage you from one string. There is power in one string, and most soloists know that because you use one string at a time, do your solos one note at a time. Now, of course, it is important to understand harmony, playing unified with other notes and everything, and harmonizing. That's great. It's great to know chords, but listen, ain't nothing wrong with playing on one note, one string at a time. All right, take your time, learn your songs. What's important is that you understand the theory behind this music, because that's gonna help you go further than all that other stuff. And yeah, anyway, okay, so A flat, that's the one. That's my little 7-year-old, y'all. She over here, and she told me she was gonna keep quiet, and I don't know why she. All right. So now we got A flat. That's the one. Now we're going to the two. The two is a whole step up. So that is B flat. Whole step up is C. All right. And then from the 3 to the 4 is a half step. Always remember that. 3 to 4, 7 to 1. Those are half steps. You need to remember that. All right, so we're on 4, 5, whole step, to 6, whole step. 7 is a whole step, and remember, 7 back to 1. It starts over after 7. It's a half step. Once again, A flat, that's your 1. B flat, that's your 2. C, that's your 3. Half step to 4, that is your D flat. E flat, that's your 5. F is your 6. Excuse me. Yeah. Where we at? Yeah, F is your 6. Excuse me. I'm sorry, y'all. I had brain fart. 6. 7 is G. Back again to your A flat. All right, now, so we got that. Now let's learn. We're gonna take it up a notch. All right. Actually, look, I tell you what. Listen. I tell you what. I'm gonna show you a little bit of on the A string. All right. You're gonna need to know A string. Okay. So A. That's on your E. Now let's go. That's your B flat. That's A string. Whole step. The rules still apply. Half step. Oh. I don't know why I was playing this a while ago. I don't know. So that means same notes. You get me? All right. Now let's do some chords. I want you to know which ones are major and which ones are minor. In order to get you there, I'm gonna have to teach you a minor shape and a major shape. Okay. You'll only need a minor shape and a major shape. I guess I could teach you We might get to a diminished. It depends on how well y'all are. Hey, okay, so let's see. So that's my A flat. All right, that's the one. One is always major. That's your major key. All right, that's a major shape. So in order to get the major shape, I'm gonna bar. In this particular, since we're on A, let's bar A flat, or on the E string, the heavy E string, A flat all the way down. So heavy E string all the way down. We barring the whole thing. Then we're gonna put let's put ring finger. Excuse me. I said ring finger, bird finger on G string. All right, ring finger on D string. Excuse me, G string 5th fret, D string 6th fret, and then pinky finger is on the D string 6th fret. That's an A major. Okay, listen, to make this minor, all we have to do is take this off. Alright, that's major. To make it minor, all we gotta do, take the ring finger off. Be careful with it though, because you don't want to get nobody the finger. Alright, so major, minor. Alright, in this case, the 1 is major. Alright, what else is major? The 4. Now I can just drop down. That's gonna be another shape for you to learn though. So let's take it. I ain't gonna take you too fast. So A flat. All right. Now we need to find D flat. D flat is right here. That's my 4. Then I want to go E flat. E flat is my 5. All right. So 5, 4, 1. Those are my major chords. Okay. 5. And that's, hey, we can get the blues out of that. Turn around on 5. All right, so that's major. The 1, the 4, and the 5. All those are gonna be your majors. Okay, let's go a step further. How about which ones are our minors? So if the 1, the 4, and the 5 are minor, let's do 2 minor. I mean, or major. Those were major. 2 is minor. 3 is minor. What does that leave? Everything except the 7. That leaves, so we got 2 minor, 3 is minor. All right. And what was our 6? Is F. F minor. So A is major. 2 is minor. Whole step up to 3. And that is a C minor. That is D flat major. E flat major. F minor. G diminished. And how I got this diminished chord? Back to my 1. All right. All this is A major, the key of, key of A flat major. To the 6. A flat major. To the 6. F minor. Now what I was doing here, that's the 2, which is minor 7. 3, minor 7. 4 can be, ooh, what if we start making it pretty, make it a major 7? 5 can be dominant 7. 6 is minor 7. 7 is dominant. I said diminished. I said dominant, diminished. And that's that. So 4, major 7. You can even make 1 major 7 if you want to. 4, major 7. This is just getting into some special stuff. It's just key of A flat, all right? Key of A flat. So y'all play around with that. Let me know. Do I need to break something down? Do I need to take a little bit slower? Do I need to go in greater detail? What do you need? Do you need more songs in the key of A flat? You want to know what songs in key of A flat? I'll tell you one that stands out to me right now. I love you, Jesus. I worship and adore you. I think that's A flat. Yeah. I love you. Y'all want to listen on that? Y'all want to listen on that? I'll give you a lesson on that. I need to figure it out myself first. I'll give you a lesson on that. Y'all want to listen on that? If you do, hop in the comments and say yes. Give us a lesson on I Love You, Jesus. We can do that. Oh, what a beautiful song, y'all. Oh, I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. Listen, thank you all for coming by. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Hit that, smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hop in the comments. Listen, I love for you guys to hop in the comments. That is my favorite thing, to be able to read and interact with this channel, with this community. Listen, what I care more about, forget about the number of followers or subscribers, the number of likes, the number of views. What I care the most about is you. It is you, the community, that makes up this channel. Okay, what makes this channel great? Look, I can sit around and play by myself all the time, but what makes it great is that we are sharing with each other. Okay, so listen, help me build and develop this community. And so how you do that is help me develop develop a relationship with you. And as we build and we bond, man, we can watch each other grow. Listen, that's what gives me so much joy, to watch you grow, to watch you learn. To also grow myself. You know what I mean? You find fulfillment in growing and learning. Listen, man, it's important that you make a connection, that you make some progress, and that you be able to express yourself. And listen, let me tell you something. Guitar has helped me make a connection. It has helped me to make progress. It has helped me to express myself. And I think all musicians can say that that is true for them. And that is where passion, that is the seat of passion. Oh, I get on here talking every time. I love y'all, okay? Y'all take care. Like I said, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what's going on. I'll try to put the link in the description to that. I Love You, Jesus. You can try to play it by ear alone. And then if you need some more help, just let me know in the comments, okay? All right. I love y'all, all right? Y'all take care.